Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. She's a good hen. Good chickens. So, what I'm sure you guys all know about the Salty Crew here at Sailor's Guide to Self-Reliance is we're very avid hunters and fishermen. We love eating wild game. It's all natural. We know where it came from. One thing you may not know about us is we're very conservative when it comes to conservation. We believe in it. We're also very active farmers and ranchers. But the Salty Crew doesn't stop there. So we quit hunting turkeys when I noticed that you just don't see the numbers like you used to. You used to see herds, stocks, flocks, whatever you will, of 10 and 20 at a time everywhere. You just don't see them anymore. So we decided to stop hunting them and start raising them and releasing them into the wild. They're making a comeback. Stay vigilant, stay salty.